Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Do you need to find your booking.com confirmation number? Here's how to do it quickly. First, go to your email inbox. When you book a stay, booking.com sends you a confirmation email with all your booking details, including the confirmation number. If you can't find it, try searching for booking.com or the name of your accommodation in your email search bar. The confirmation number is usually listed at the top of the email, often under the title Your Booking Details. If you're logged into your booking.com account, you can also find the confirmation number by going to the bookings section on the website or app. Simply click on the booking you are looking for and you will see the confirmation number listed with all your stay details. In case you still can't find it, you can also reach out to booking.com support for help. They will be able to assist you in retrieving your confirmation number. And that's it. It's really easy to find your booking.com confirmation number, whether through email or directly on the website. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.